Madrid at this little apartment building here. We got an old elevator that's modernized by Schindler. Oh, what the heck? That's a funky handle. Ooh, tiny. Little bitty thing. I'm not sure who installed this originally, but you can see here is where the old panel was. They literally just slapped the newer Schindler panel on top of it. Anyway, not a very large elevator. Let's go up to 5. It runs well. It's pretty dim in here though. This is neat. Would this, I think this would be Schindler M series maybe? I'll have to look. I really got to study up on the European elevator fixtures because I'm unfamiliar with them. Little vent there, I'm not sure what that's for. Oh, and the lights just turned off. All the lights here I've noticed are on timers or motion detectors. Watch. I think it's it's like a motion thing, so they automatically turn off. I'm sure they have like probably some sort of laws about that in Europe, about not wasting energy. Anyway. That will be that.